Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Red Magic 9 Pro Plus. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $999, and the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimension is same in both devices, not much difference. The weight of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro have 213 gram and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus have 229 gram. The build, the front and back glass and aluminium frame in both devices, and it will come with dual SIM support. The display, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16M color display, and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 1 billion color. And the size of screen, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 6.8 inches. And the resolution, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1340 by 2992 pixels and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 1116 by 2480 pixels. And the PPI dynasty, Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 8489 and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 400. And the refresh rate of these devices, the both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate. And the screen to body ratio, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4% and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 89.1%. And the protection, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with Gorilla Glass 5. The screen brightness, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak brightness and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 1600 nits peak brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And Red Magic 9 Pro Plus also come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel 4K 60 fps video record, and the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 16 megapixel under display 1080p video record. And the platform of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Nona Core CPU with Cortex X3 and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with octa-core with Cortex X4. And the chipset of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Tensor G3 4nm processor and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Moteless G715S and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with Adreno 750, and the both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices, the Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the both mobile come with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card supported in both mobile. The battery of these devices, the Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 5500 mAh battery. The charging, the Pixel 8 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus come with 165 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging. And the both devices also come with 5G network, and the common and features is same in both devices. The result of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 23 points and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus got 19 points.